So you just bought an item from Fleece Chic, probably our viral fleece tights. How do you wash them? Well, you can hand wash them, but I prefer a washing machine because that's way easier. If you're going to use a washing machine, here is how to do it. I've got quite a few pair of fleece tights that I've worn, so I'm going to wash them for you. But if you're wondering what I'm talking about, these are the viral fleece tights. Super plush inside, super stretchy, high-waisted, very flattering. They look like real tights, but with the fleece lining, they're actually not see-through. So super comfy, super warm, especially in the fall and winter. I highly recommend. Now, here's how you wash them. So first of all, you want to wash all similar items. Do not wash these with like a bra or something that will snag, because while it is a more hardy item, it's still made of nylon, so you gotta be careful with it. So put all of your fleece tights in the wash. Note how I am not turning them inside out. That is very important. Next, almost forgot the detergent, but I'll show you really quick. So you want to change load size. Make sure you're washing on cold. And then my machine does not have this option, but you want to wash on a delicate or gentle cycle. That's very important. I'm just going to wash on a colors light. And then use a detergent. If you have a gentle detergent, like a baby detergent, that's great. I'm just going to use what I have. Put in a scoop. And start her up. So the tights are done washing. Now you could put them into the dryer on no heat, but I am just going to hang them up. The less time that they are pounding around in the dryer and the fleece is rubbing, the less likely that there's going to be clumpage of the fleece, and it's going to remain soft and fluffy for longer. So I'm just going to go ahead and hang these up to dry. They do not have to be hung flat. I want to show you how they still look good quality. They're not damaged. The fleece has not come out on the outside. Now, there is some wear here. That's from me personally wearing them and rubbing the tights together with a little bit of lintage, but I do have a lint remover that I can use, and these tights will stay strong and hold up for being lint rolled. Excuse me, lint removed. Another option for running them through the dryer is just to get off some cat hair, which I noticed I still did have some cat hair on the tights, but I'm not worried about it. That will help get that off, but there's not that much on there, so I can just pull it off by hand. Like that. Now they'll dry for maybe a day or less, however long they need, and then they will be all good to wear again.